The third paper is machine learning based digital twin model of gas turbines and its application to vibration faults. The presenter is Bilal Khurshid. Bilal Khurshid completed his BSc and MSc degrees in mechanical engineering from UET Peshawar, Pakistan in 2007 and 2012 respectively. He then completed his PhD in the application of artificial intelligence technique in 2022. He joined OGDCL as assistant engineer mechanical trainee in 2008. He has more than 16 years of professional experience and is presently working as in charge mechanical at Dakhni plant. He has published several research articles in many peer-reviewed journals and is also a peer reviewer for multiple distinguished journals. Mr. Bilal Khurshid, please start.
Thank you, sir, for the introduction. The topic of the research paper is machine learning based digital twin model of gas turbines and its application to vibration faults. So basically the industry rely on machines of high complexity made up of several hundreds of components which should be monitored and maintained in order to avoid unexpected failure. To solve this problem and protect the machinery from stoppage, it is needed to be aware of the health status of each manufacturing resource and its component. So a typical example is a gas turbine, which is made up of hundreds of components. And the gas turbine is not only used for power generation, it's also used to drive other rotary equipment such as pumps and compressors. So as the machinery maintenance technology emerged, diagnostic and prognostic gradually permeated all areas of mechanical engineering. Although we are using predictive maintenance for these purposes, but the forecasting accuracy of the predictive maintenance reduces with the dynamic changing equipment parameters and complex physical interactions. So in contrast, digital twins enhance predictive maintenance by integrating real-time data, performance degradation models and material properties, enabling continuous update and comprehensive life cycle management. So basically a digital twin is an up-to-date representation of a physical asset in operation. And an asset can be a system such as a turbine or it can be a subsystem. Next to So basically digital twin is an up-to-date representation of a physical asset in operation. An asset can be a system such as a turbine, it can be a subsystem such as the main or auxiliary lube oil pump of a turbine, or it can be a system of systems such as multiple turbines in one location or scattered at various locations. There can be multiple digital twins for a single turbine to monitor its various parameters, and there can be multiple digital twins for various turbines working across different locations. The term digital twins was first coined in a NASA report in 2010, although NASA has been using this technique way back in the 1970s for its Apollo 13 mission. So during the Apollo 13 mission, the oxygen tank exploded and it badly damaged the spacecraft. So instead of going directly for the alternate techniques, the NASA first they used what if simulation on a high fidelity physical model that was present in their Houston. So instead of going directly on the spacecraft first, they run the what if simulations and then they were able to counter all the requirements of the spacecraft to bring it back to Houston. And they successfully rescued all their astronauts. So nowadays, digital twins expanded to other areas such as electrical power, transportation, agriculture, mining, healthcare, and ships. There are three basic components for the digital twins, which are the information model, communication mechanism, and data processing. So vibration issues in gas turbines can lead to miscellaneous failures such as rotor imbalance, bearing damage, misalignment of shaft, blade fatigue and cracking. and also damage to auxiliary systems is among others. Digital twin can assist predictive maintenance in overcoming or improving these shortcomings at the level of problem diagnosis and prediction as well as maintenance decision, according to an examination of technical features of application instance. Although we are using predictive maintenance, however, the properties of digital twin allow for real-time equipment monitoring and defect as soon as the models is built. So here are typical applications where we can use digital twins. The first one is downtime reduction. Since